Hello everyone and welcome back to the brand new honest reaction video. This video is Patreon requested. It's for a random alien visitor. Thank you so much for sponsoring it. And today we're listening to JinSoul. Let me see. JinSoul. Okay. JinSoul from LOONA, of course, Singing in the Rain. So I know she's from Orai Circle. I've heard her before in, I forgot the name of the song that they performed. But yeah, without further ado, let's begin now. Before we actually jump in though, guys, make sure you check out my Patreon where you can, apart from requesting a song like this, you can check out more than 500 exclusive reaction videos to BTS, Twice, Red Velvet, Dreamcatcher, IU, live stages by these groups, and live stages by other idols as well, and K-drama reactions like my Mr. Hotel Delina, It's Okay to Not Be Okay, and Scarlet Heart. So if you'd like to see all of that, the link to my Patreon is down below. Alrighty, probably some LOONA stages, live stages in the future coming as well to Patreon. Cause I hope you've seen my reaction to what was it? LOONA moments that I keep thinking about or something like that I can't forget. Anyways, the funny video compilation by LOONA that I reacted to recently, I think a few days ago, and I made a little announcement in that one, so if you haven't seen it, go make sure you check it out, okay? There we go. JinSoul. Oh.
Hey boy.
What? Hey boy? Hey boy, I got a question for you. You got two choices, yes or yes. Yeah, so the fish, yeah, you told me that it's connected. Everything here is connected. Everything means something. Obviously, I'll be missing all of that, so that's okay. That's okay. I'll get to the storyline eventually, I think. Okay, we gotta pause here. So, a few things already. I like how right off the start we are beginning with this pretty prominent beat in the background that instantly caught my attention. So it's not like the song begins nice and gently and then progresses into this kind of beat in the chorus. The beat is present right away. I can certainly say that I'm already connecting to the beat, and her eye makeup is really striking here. This like the, I don't know what you call it, but the black part on the top, like the way eyeliner, I think. It's really prominent. Also, really awesome magenta highlights right there. You see? Yeah, on the backup dancers. Yeah, the beat is certainly really working for me already. I like how it's pretty fast here. And the way she's matching that with her voice. Is it Earth? There. Okay, yeah, all right. Let's check it out once again. So first off, again, really nice the way they're lighting the water here. I think it's maybe from the back or from the top. Yeah, probably from the top, because you see the magenta again. You can see magenta highlights on their hair and the reflection in the water. So the whole scene looks really beautiful, and I like how the colors, the darker colors here, blue. Magenta is contrasted by her pure blonde hair. So this little sound effect right there Maybe it's actually her, like her voice, and they messed around with it a little bit. It's just such a nice little addition. Yeah. The instrumental is nice, electronic here. Overall, I'm really digging the chorus. I like it. The music video. I mean, gotta be careful. She said blue, and she's wearing a blue dress. There's blue light on her. Wow, the music video looks so good. Wow. And by the way, I mean, the music video looks really great, but she herself is so beautiful. Just, yeah, visuals on such a high level. Wow. Okay, so yes, the first time I heard the chorus, it felt kind of short, right? The melody started developing and then it ended pretty abruptly. So I kind of expected that they're gonna prolong it for the second chorus, and this is exactly what they did. So that's nice. I'm very glad about that because I love the melody in the chorus and I want to hear it for longer. Also, several things. Let me. Sorry, I double clicked on accident. I think I'm just too excited. This effect, don't know what to call it, but that's pretty cool. And also, right here, I saw an amazing shot. Let me just play it. Yeah, right. Look at this. Look at this. The way her face is split like that by magenta and blue on the other side looks so good. Whoa, just whoa. Okay, let's continue. Maybe these drops on the glass are supposed to represent her tears. I noticed it, and this is the first thing that I thought about. Whoa. Okay. All right. Let's watch it till the end. Wow. Man. Man, I'm just so impressed by both the song and the music. Wow, this last shot. No, seriously, guys, you could just take this photo, you know, and put it in an art gallery or something. I don't know why I like it so much. It's just, yeah, I don't know. Man, yeah, there's something really, really captivating about this shot. Also, again, really nice backlighting from here. You see the highlight? And here too. Right, so now, English lyrics, as always. We're gonna go back and re-listen to the whole thing with the lyrics. Before we do that, I'll restart the cam and we'll continue. Okay. I think it's happening, guys. I think it's happening. The orbitification, right? I think I'm saying that right. I think it's happening.
점점 더 깊어지는 밤의 노래는 나도 멈출 수 없어 out of control 어디부터가 시작인지 모른대도 밤을 물들여 yeah. 소리를 따라 달려가는 너와 나 뒤따라가 깊이 퍼져가는 등이 빠져들어 네 전체 서져가는 공기에 짙어져가 hey 짙어져가 너와 나의 모든 게 다 한낮의 태양을 숨겨버린 죄로 지금 난 여기 뜨거운 채로 너와 단둘이 남겨진 이 밤에 우리는 singing in the rain singing in the rain singing in the rain
You see how quickly it ends in the first chorus?
손댈 수 없이 위험했던 내게 순식간 날 휘감은 건 너의 blue 이 밤의 끝까지 너와 함께 있어줘 또 더욱 깊이 Oh yeah 오늘은 우리 둘 비밀을 만들어 빗소리에 섞여 퍼진 널 love 더 보여줘 your light
Missed it.
love 더 보여줘 your light alright 내 안에 있어줘 all night 마지막 순간까지 넌 내 곁에만 있어
I didn't see that. No. I'm not gonna come back to that line. Oh, Jesus. I should have just ignored it. I should have just I should have kept going. It's just water, guys.
내 안에 있어줘 all night 마지막 순간까지 넌 내 곁에만 있어줘 하늘의 별을 다 삼켜버린 죄로
This scene is just amazing. Just
넌 푸르게 번져간 채로 너와 내가 이 밤 위에 서 있어 그리고 지금 내리는 이 노래 Sing in the rain Sing 그리고 지금 내리는 이 노래 Sing in the rain Singing in the rain
also nice. Didn't point it out the first time. Nice delay here, in the instrumental.
in the rain
You see, it doesn't. What's the word? What's the word? I forgot the word. It doesn't come in right away. There's like a little break.
I've been thinking
That is her floating here. I'd like to see some behind the scenes because it's always really interesting to see how long they had to hold their breath for, and overall how this was shot, because underwater shots overall I find them really, really impressive. Maybe partially because I do, myself, I do free diving. I like that. So that's essentially diving on while you're holding your breath without any extra oxygen. So yeah, if there is behind the scenes, I'd love to see that. This is it, right? Not missing anything. Sonia. Okay. All right. Okay. So, JinSoul from LOONA, Singing in the Rain. I think I said everything that I meant to in my reaction. Really, really liked the video for my personal taste. Really, really liked the video. It just looked gorgeous. So much color. It's so saturated with everything. It was great. Amazing. The song, I loved it too. I liked that the chorus. So the beat hooked me in right away. I want to say the beat and the way she was like matching that beat with her voice. So she was semi-singing, semi-rapping. Really rhythmical singing right there. And then how progressed into something more electronic, more dancey, more EDM type of direction in the chorus. Really, really nice. And then the second, so they kind of teased the main melody in the chorus and the first chorus in a sense, because the second chorus was the proper length, I want to say. So the first one that was shortened, like a teaser. Second one, boom, we got the proper experience. And till the very end, the song kept changing, I felt like, adding some new ad-libs here and there, background vocals, new melodies, some breaks in the instrumental. So yeah, great experience. Really, really enjoyed everything about it. So yeah, this is gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you, Random Alien Visitor, for sponsoring this one, showing the song to me. And I'll catch you all in the next one, guys. As always, take care. Keep listening to great music and love.